How to integrate Activecampaign with Clickfunnels. After helping hundreds of people start up their online business, I have always encouraged them to make use of funnels and email marketing to keep in touch with their audience, leads, and customers. However, I have noticed that many don't do so. And when I asked why, they actually say they're not technical and they are afraid of messing their business up. First, this is why I decided to make this video about connecting the two best softwares in the market.
Nice.
Hey everyone, this is Joyce here, and I make videos on how to make money online and help people start their online business so they can achieve freedom of time and money and quit their soul-draining 9-to-5 job. If this is something that you like or are interested in, please do subscribe to my channel, as this will actually help me create more and more videos like this one. My aim by the end of this video, even if you're not a techie person, is to help you discover, number one, how to connect, aka integrate your Activecampaign account with Clickfunnels. 2, how to create a list in Activecampaign. 3, how to connect that list with your Clickfunnels opt-in page. And if you watch till the end, I'll even show you a sneak peek of my automation that I created in Activecampaign. So let's get started. How to connect, aka integrate your Activecampaign account with Clickfunnels. So I'm actually assuming you already have signed up in Clickfunnels and Activecampaign. If you haven't, you can pause this video and actually create them by clicking on the links I have left in the description box below this video. You will actually get 14 days free trial for both of them, and you can watch my step-by-step instructions so you can do the same. So here, if you already have Clickfunnels open up, all you have to do is hover over here and go to account settings. All right. And you scroll down. All right. You scroll down when it says setup and you click on integrations. Once in here, you will actually be able to integrate your Activecampaign account. And as you can see, I have two things integrated: GetResponse and Activecampaign. So for you to actually do that, you click on add new integration. Once you click here, all you have to do is look for Activecampaign. If you can't see Activecampaign anywhere, all you have to do is type Activecampaign, right? Type Activecampaign here. Here is Activecampaign, so I'm going to click on that. The next thing you actually need to do, well, I'm getting a warning message. I will just ignore. And here what you need to do, all right, is to put a name for the integration. Maybe Activecampaign integration or new Activecampaign integration, whatever you want, all right? And you will actually require two things: API key, API URL. So this will have to go onto Activecampaign. So here we are in Activecampaign. So what you actually need to do is, well, when you create an account in Activecampaign, you will actually, let me show you the interface you're gonna have. Oops. Okay. This is the interface you're gonna have, all right? Here your contacts will be, I think it will be one, all right? It will be yourself, all right? And you won't have all this because these are my automation campaigns that I actually sent. What you need to do is to go onto settings, and you actually need to go onto developer. And here you will find your API access, which is your URL and your key. All you need to do is copy your URL, go on to Clickfunnels and paste your URL here, and go on here, copy your key and paste your key here. And you click on add integration, and you will be able to actually connect your Activecampaign and Clickfunnels. Next, I'm going to show you how to actually create a list in Activecampaign. So here, all you need to do is go and click on list. And what you need to do next is click on add a list. Here, you name your list, all right, and you put the list URL, okay, and you put a description to your list. If you're actually new, your list will be generated, okay, but if you create another list, note here you will actually need to put a URL. Next is how to actually connect that list that you just created with your Clickfunnels opt-in page. Here, you will require your opt-in page, and I'm assuming you already have yours. And if you haven't done so, if you haven't got one, don't worry. You can actually get a pretty decent one built in less than 5 minutes in Clickfunnels. And if you'd like me to make a video explaining how you can actually do so, let me know in the comments below. And by the way, here's actually my lead magnet page. And my lead magnet is actually a blueprint that I created to help people get my 7 steps to be a super affiliate. If you want my blueprint, I'll leave a link below this video where you can actually access it. So back to the topic, okay? All you have to do is actually click on edit. And we're gonna go click on edit and let me show you how you can actually link your Activecampaign list. So when we're actually here, all we need to do is to go onto settings, hover over to setting, click on integrations, and here you will see action. So you click on action, integration first, all right? Click on integration and click on your integration that you just did. Mine is Activecampaign, so yours will be Activecampaign too. The action will be to add to list with tag. The best part with using Activecampaign is you can actually put a tag with them, all right? So the list I actually want them to go on would be lead magnet, and the tag that I want would be blueprint, all right? And since this is connected, this is done, you click on save, and here it is. And guys, if you're actually enjoying this video so far, make sure you actually give me a thumbs up, as this actually helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Now that you've linked your Clickfunnels opt-in page to your Activecampaigns list, you need to set up an automation. This automation is what will actually send emails to the subscribers of that particular list. If you want to create an automation, all right, let me actually show you what you need to do. So all you need to do is click on automation right here and click on create an automation. And you can actually choose what type of automation you have, or simply start from scratch and continue. And it's actually pretty basic. You will actually get a lot of training inside of here to show you how to create an automation. However, since I've already created my automation, and which I actually promise you to actually show you if you stick by the end, and I'm actually going to show you the automation of this blueprint right here, all right, which I already created. So it's here it is. So the aim of this blueprint, all right, is to actually give so much value to people and to get them started with an online business that I'm actually an affiliate of. And I truly recommend that. It's actually the 15-day business builder challenge. And if you actually want to start with the 15-day business builder challenge, all right, I'm actually going to drop a link below this video, so you can actually click on it and see for yourself if it is for you or not, or simply watch this video right here to better get a deeper insight if it is worth your time or not. All right, so this automation actually gets triggered, all right, when a contact subscribed to this list and goes through if the contact has the tag blueprint. All right, it will only move forward if this condition is followed. All right, and it will send an email, and there is a condition here which I specifically laid so that I can actually put another tag on this contact. All right, and all I do is make them move to another automation that I created. And if they don't actually have the tag, there's another goal that I've actually created for them to follow and get another email. And when they get another email, they actually, this automation actually ends. So you might think that this automation is complex, but it's not really complex. It's really simple. It is focused on making my list of a high quality. So guys, as promised, I delivered these. And as I said, guys, I'm creating videos helping people make money online and start their online business so they can achieve freedom of time and money and quit their soul-draining 9-to-5 job. If you like videos like this, make sure to actually give me a subscribe, all right? Subscribe to my channel and like this video, right? If you didn't like this video, put it a dislike and tell me in the comments, all right? Also, feel free to tell me more of the things that you'd like to know about Clickfunnels or Activecampaign in the comments below. This will actually help me more in what type of contents should I create. So yeah, this is Joy Smith signing out. See you online. Bye-bye.